Which POS system is best for store owners? If you operate a business, you understand the need for a dependable point-of-sale system. It not only makes transactions easier and faster, but it also allows you to track sales data in real time. But with so many POS systems on the market, how can you choose? Today, we'll compare two of the most popular options, Shopify and Square. Shopify versus Square overview. Shopify and Square are two of the most popular POS systems on the market today. Both include a multitude of tools that can assist business owners in streamlining their operations and better managing their cash. However, each has advantages and downsides that should be considered while determining which one to utilize. Click here to talk with a Shopify POS expert. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that gives store owners everything they need to launch a successful online business. This includes inventory management, product delivery, customer support tools, payment processing capabilities, and other services. It also has its own POS system that connects smoothly with other Shopify features, making it simple for store owners to manage their whole business from a single location. Square is another popular choice that primarily provides payment processing services. It enables retailers to accept credit card payments from clients both in person and online. It also has its own POS system, which allows merchants to track sales data in real time and easily create reports for financial tracking. Both Shopify and Square provide solid alternatives for business owners searching for a dependable point-of-sale system. While Shopify provides more comprehensive functionality for businesses looking for an all-in-one e-commerce platform, Square may be better suited for those who only want a simple solution to accept payments fast and efficiently. Finally, the choice between these two solutions will be determined by your individual demands as a business owner, so consult with an expert before making any judgments. Please see the link below.